Hello, my name is Irina Zinovkina. I'm head of research analytics at Positive Technologies, and I was honored to be a speaker on our Positive Hack Fest. It was wonderful, it was beautiful. I have no words to describe it, but I have something to show you today. The first one, it is one main badge, and the second one is Positive Hack Media Resident. Subscribe to it and see our news. Why are we there? This beautiful speakers merch, which I received on Positive Hack Days. We will begin from this wonderful backpack. So I think the main item is such a beautiful certificate. The next one, I think, this is a wonderful t-shirt. I think it's very wonderful, very beautiful. I think I have two adjectives today. The next one is, I think it is a pin for my backpack. And the next one is a sticker. I will find a place for it, for example, on my car. This is our beautiful Positive Labs badge, and we see here beautiful images, but we can program it as far as I know. The last one in this backpack, I think it is a pen. Oh yes, of course, it is a pen, I was right. So we have finished with this one. What we have here, it's wonderful hoodie. Here we see PHDays face, of course, and here the next one, it's hat. Of course, just to be speaker, you need to be approved, and I was also approved. I have no advantages as Positive Technologies worker. So stay tuned to our social media, just to know when call for papers is open. If you have very interesting topic to talk about, to discuss about, you can bring it there and wait just for a plane to Moscow and for this beautiful merch. The second advantage to be speaker is a speaker's party, which is before the PHDays. Of course, it's not advantage for them who perform on the next day after this party, but for the others, it's a very good place to have some small talks with the other professionals in the cybersecurity. See you later. Bye-bye.